In this video, you'll learn how to sync your FlexEd Gradebook with Canvas. Let's get started. First, your Canvas admin must enable the developer tool that uses the LTI 1.3 specification and then drop this tool into your section. Please make this request to your LMS admin and copy your FlexEd representative on the email so they can assist with the process. Once this step is completed, navigate to your Canvas modules and click the plus sign next to one of your modules. Then select External Tool. Select your course and click Load in a new tab. Then Add Item. Make sure your course link is published for your students. Click the newly created course link to enter FlexEd. Navigate to your FlexEd Gradebook and note the Sync Gradebook button at the top. Then click Sync Now and select the drop-down to see the list of assessments that you can sync to your Canvas Gradebook. You may choose to sync some or all. Then click Select and check off all the students whose grades you'd like to sync. Clicking Proceed will begin the process of syncing assignment names, point values, and any scores to the Canvas Gradebook. The scores for incomplete assignments will sync in real time as they are completed by each student. If you choose not to sync the gradebook at the time of course setup, the assignments, point values, and grades for each assignment will still sync to Canvas, but only as soon as the first student submits an assignment. Thank you for watching this training video on syncing your FlexEd assignments and gradebook with Canvas. If you'd like further assistance on Canvas integration and gradebook syncing, don't hesitate to reach out to your dedicated FlexEd representative or our general support email, highered@XanEdu.com. For additional training videos, please visit our training website, XanEdu.com/FlexEd Get Started.